Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Lesson Stephen M. I'm Stephen. Today, we're going to be practicing the Super Challenge. Okay, Puzzle 2. Bird Brain. Oh, level 1. Oh yeah, like I told you in the last video. Oh, so this one, it's going to flip every time, so different level. Birdies. Hey, birdies. Next level, I might flip. Usually it flips. Okay, so this one's, right now it's level 1, so it's really easy. So you don't need to worry about anything for level 1. But then once you get to up levels, yeah, it's gonna get starting hard. There you go. Let's see. Yes. Bird party. Bird. Okay, that was a nice party right there. I like that. That's my favorite part. Where it's in. Bird party. Level 2. Okay, anyways, level 2. Okay, yeah, that one's easy. So there. Turn time. Over there. Good. Now let's see. Right there. Too obvious, though. Okay, so whoosh. So we go right here. Okay. Right there. So there. It doesn't really do anything at all. It didn't do anything at all. Turn, double twist. So there. Yeah, let's see. So far, it's only doing one turn. There. This is easy. Easy. Oh, right here. I thought his keys would be upside down. Bird party. Oh, yeah. Last 4 minutes or 2 seconds. Anyways, level 3 again. Okay, anyways. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I'll check that again. Here. And here. Here. You should be right there. Okay. And then. Okay, so here. Okay. And here. Nice. Doesn't do anything at all. Okay. There. Don't try to trick me. Don't try to trick me. Don't try to trick me here. Don't try to trick me. It's obvious. There. Okay, let's see this. Okay. So right there. Okay, this one now. You just flipped back. You just flipped back. Man, you just flipped back. Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, that's weird now. That was fun. Okay, anyways, we're done. Bird party. Bird party. Nice. Bird party. Level 4. No, level 4. Nice. Thank you. They already showed at the end. I was like showing at the end, so I was like, oh, too obvious already. I already know it anyways, so it's a big deal. Go. Okay. See over there. Right here. Hey, I think I remember I did this once. Pretty sure. Oh, can I say that again? Okay, yeah, I already know. That was correct. It was supposed to be right here. Okay, yeah, okay, let's take this one. Here. Man, it's starting to get a little hard, but anyways. Okay, yeah, here. Oh, bird party. Got the bird party. Okay, the bird party is kind of like chaos, you know, kind of chaos. Anyways, level 5. Level 5. Here, right here. Okay, that wasn't that hard, actually. Okay, I just need to keep the eyes on the birds. Oh, that one's right there. Not hard. Really, that's just as easy peasy. Okay, now another one. One again here. It's back to normal again. This is weird. Anyways, here. Okay. Here. Gotta keep with those eyes on the birds. Gotta keep those eyes. Oh man. Here. Too easy, yeah. Don't try and trick me, guys. Don't try and trick me. You know, it's kind of too obvious. Is it here? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, okay. Keep good eyes right there, huh? Good. Bird party. Okay, guys. We're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy my video. And I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. And goodbye. Come on, guys. Bye. Bye-bye.